So essentially we drove around the entire volcano. So carrying on from our hike up the Mayon skyline, we next headed to Tabaco City. From there we head to Malilipot, and then from there to Santo Domingo, and then back down to Legazpi City.
Oh, so it's like 1.5. So they're like 50. Now there's like 50, more than 50 like pairs. Mom was asking you gonna go.
Yeah, I'm curious.
I'll take Ryan. Amo tang amiga kung bigit-bigit baga si Manilin Reynes.
This is Tabaco.
See a lot of motorcycle here. This place, they all make tabac. The means tabac means like those knives.
Oh no,
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So they have tabac festival sinaro. They have this tabac festival. Ginano? Oh, June 24. Oh, yeah, same. It has same fiesta as our hometown, but we celebrate Pinangat Festival. So you're gonna try Pinangat. See, so that's a church there. It's a big church.
It's fun. What's it? This is actually a nice town.
Yeah, this is
how far?
That's Tabaco. Tabaco City. Kita down
here. City shop. How far is this from your home?
Huh?
How far is this from your home? Tabaco?
Pirang oras ang Tabaco pa Kamalig. Tabaco Kamalig.
Oh, here's the Jollibees.
1 hour. If
Look at all the delivery guys. You see all those delivery guys on
that's a red
motorcycles?
ribbon. This is 290. Angal daw.
Sa mga department store?
Oo.
Sobrang na ganyan man.
PSP Bank.
It's a big downtown. This is a big downtown.
Yeah. Tabaco is a big town.
Yeah.
It's a city, Tabaco City. Bichubi, like a seafood place. Oh, there's Andox. You know those Andox is right there. Those are chicken place. And this is the guapo husband inside the car. Store like those ones. These are like eateries. Carinderia. Just go buy them. You just point what you want. They have some meat with rice. 1 order of rice. I say like those. These are like
motor stuff.
Yeah, motor trade. We sell motorcycles.
This is a cemetery. Cemetery here. pass?
Yeah, this is the municipal hall for the town.
City Hall?
Yeah.
Malilipot.
Homes are kind of unique, small, big, different architecture. What's this called again?
Malilipot. Unong oras na kasi na doon mall, mama? So, maybe they're practicing something.
Yeah. Oh, propane.
Yes, that's a propane tank.
He's carrying on his motorcycle?
Yeah. That's a propane tank.
So if this guy falls.
It's a propane tank.
What's this mermaid?
This is Santo Domingo. But I think you have to... Oh, pwede na Santo Domingo. Yeah. Then we can get it from the bottom.
Oh, there's more rocks down there.
Oh, yeah, down there. Those are from the volcanoes.
And this is all like...
Yeah.
Really? Molten lava?
Yeah. Yeah, they come from the Mayon.
Nice.
See, you can see from the Mayon. That's a volcano on that side. And then those are the beaches.
And then the volcano
yeah. Those are like where like the resorts are, and that place. Then yeah, so it's like a nice bridge at the back right there. Yes. Like the house. Then all the beaches on that side. So that's where we're going on Friday.
Yeah.
Now where the Mercedes Bay is on that side of the thing.
Oh, it's down there.
Yeah, somewhere down there.
It's Mercedes Bay.
Yeah, Mercedes Bay. It's beautiful, eh?
Yeah. This is a market.
Fish. Those veggies. We miss the fish or so much. Umoy. Luto. Ungaw. A cat is called ungaw in Pulangi, but ungaw is like your breath in like ungaw in Kamaling. Oh, Mariners Polytechnic. This car is behind me. Yeah, here. Yes, yeah. It's a USD now. Di ba ba? Why not it's USD? She would like that. You know?
What's that back there? Is that the other? Is that a volcano? No, a mountain.
No, it's a mountain.
So this is Legazpi.
Ay, school lang na mga college. This is the biggest city. This is where the airport is. Oh, soon to be Oriental. Albay. Yeah, those they sell those. What do you call that? Now, see this one. So that one will be called Roselle Royal. When you watch movie, it's like, see, you watch like one movie, it's almost double width. See those? They sell those ukay. It's like second-hand clothes. That's how you go by the si Agong Minan, nagparabakal ni mga sa peking Lego. Dinara sa Canada. Ayala mo. Lots of people come here like jog. Look at this, the water.
Well, it's similar to the Embarcadero in San Francisco. They jog, by the bay.
Yeah. Early morning, a lot of people come here for jog. Ano pa? there's a restaurant here. What's that? Paris Prince. Look at that, the resto and bar. Sagitsit Resto Grill, Ported Road. Bada K-style bar. Oh, there's a lot. MGM Resto. They're all restaurant pala dito. Bike rental. Oh, hindi pala pa-picture ako sa Legazpi. Ura na akong kita pala mga parkingan. Legazpi nga nagpa-picture nga na kita diyan. Pwede dyan magpundo? Oo. Let's take a quick picture on here.
Coincidentally, while touring around the Embarcadero, we ran into Sally's cousins, Medell and Hallett. Well, that concludes this blog. Hope you enjoyed our joyride. Please like, comment, and subscribe. In our next video, we'll tour you around the Pacific Mall in Legazpi City. Hope to see you there.